Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I'm Ghazal from Ghazal's English and today we are going to level up our French. So stop using bon, which means good, when you're going to talk about your food. Instead, use one of these words. Are you ready? Let's go. But before we go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Love you all. Now let's go. First one is un délice. Un délice, c'est un délice. C'est un délice. Un délice, c'est un délice. Délice, c'est un délice. It is a delight. C'est un délice. Second one is un régal. Un régal. C'est un régal. C'est un régal. It is a feast. It is a treat. C'est un régal. C'est un régal. Un régal. And last one is diva. Diva. C'est diva. C'est diva. C'est diva. It's divine. C'est diva. Diva. Okay, now it's your turn. Try to repeat after me if you can. Ready? Allons-y. Let's go. First one was, do you remember how to pronounce this one? Un délice. C'est un délice. C'est un délice. Très bien. C'est un délice. Next was un régal. C'est un régal. Un régal. Well done. Bravo. Merci. And last one? It's divine. In French, how do you say? Diva. C'est diva. C'est diva. C'est diva. Well done. Merci. Okay, today's lesson is over. Thanks for watching. Mille merci. Take care and have fun. À bientôt. See you.